Hello guys, and welcome back to this channel, where today guys, I'll be showing you how to add card on the Nike application. So guys, the first thing that you of course need to do is go to the Google Play Store or the App Store and download the Nike application. After that, you just need to go and log into your profile or register to Nike if you haven't done that already. But now guys, let's see how you can actually go and check out what we have in front of us. In the top right corner, as you can see, we have the search bar. We have your profile, we have your bag, and the three dots where you can click on your name, and check out all of these things as you can see on the screen. But now guys, let's see how you can actually go and add a card on the Nike application. So basically, firstly, you need to go and find something that you would like to buy. So you can scroll down, and here you have the shop with the white and the black one. You can go click on both of those, or go to search bar and type in, for instance, let's go for Air Force One. Click on there. And now you, of course, just need to go and choose which you would like to buy. Click on one, and of course, then go and click Add to Bag. It will be in the top right corner in your bag, as you can see. And here, guys, when you want to go to buy it, you can go to Checkout, and there you'll have the option to add your card on the application. So basically there, when you click there, you can go and add the card and buy the item by clicking on the go to checkout. So guys, that will be everything for this video. I hope that you found this video informative and entertaining, guys. If you did, don't forget to like this video, share it, subscribe to the channel, and put the notifications on, as guys, this really helps us grow our channel. So if you have a few seconds, it would be pretty cool if you could do this for us. So guys, as I told you, I hope that you enjoyed the video, and I'll be seeing you in the next video on this YouTube channel. Of course, until then, as always, bye guys.